Hi everyone, this is Ellen, your crazy baker chick. Not showing my face today because I'm still in my pajamas, have no makeup on, unshowered, all those good things. This is just the quickest video ever, just showing you how to find my recipes or my videos from my website. So this is my website, ellensbreadmachinerecipes.com. So this is the home page. So there's home. If you tap full list, you have a list you can scroll through and it has all the names and it's a link. So if I tap one of these, it'll go right to the video and right to the recipe. This is the about page and this is the contact page. It has an email address for me. So if you're looking for a recipe, super easy. It says select category. You could do that. And those are the categories. You can look at them later. I'm not going to have you read all of them, but the search is right here. So you tap in this, it says search by text at least 3 characters. So I tap in there, and like if I'm looking for white bread, WHI, I get all kinds of white bread. In this case, I'm going to choose my Ellen's Fluffy Soft White Bread. I'm going to tap on that. Oh, I tapped on gluten-free, sorry. Let me go back up. Okay, so see how here's the video, but if you are one of the people that just absolutely refuse to watch the video, and don't hold me responsible for how your bread turns out if you don't watch the video. But anyway, if you are not a person who wants to watch a video, fine. You just see print, view, print, download recipe. Tap there, there's the recipe. That's it. And if you want to get out of the recipe, when it says download, save to drive, if you do this, you can print. I mean, I'm using an iPad, but it would work pretty much the same on a computer or on a smartphone. So there's the recipe. Now, the reason I say you should watch the video, this one is a pretty simple, straightforward recipe, but all I have on my recipe are the ingredients. If you're going to, for my white bread, if you're going to bake in the machine, you want to bake the slightly reduced one because this gets really fluffy. So I'm just going to close that and we're back to my website. And if you want to search for something else, it's going to backspace my search and I'll put in cinnamon. And there's all my cinnamon things. So I'm going to go to Ellen's Cinnamon Rolls. There's a picture. There's the recipe. You can view it like we're doing now. You can download it onto your hard drive. You can print it, anything you want. That's how you do it. And again, if you go to full list, you can scroll all through the recipes. And if you want to email me, go to contact and my email address is right there. I'm always happy to get emails and I answer them as quickly as I can. All right, thank you. Oh, what did I do here? Thank you so much.